5th visit to the park. We are here, and I'm going to go straight to Diamondback for like 2 rides at the start of the day. Then I'll probably head back towards Silver Bullet and like Steel Lasso. And I will be seeing you guys hopefully on Diamondback. Oh no. The backwards ejector is actually crazy, if I'm gonna be honest. Oh, here we go. Oh my God. Oh, I hit my head on I hit my ears on the restraint. Oh. Obviously, you guys know I had to ride Diamondback first. It's awesome. The back row is insane. The sheer raw, like, ejector every time. It's crazy. Like, thank you. You got a shirt.
I want to see what it is.
Here, let me prop this up right here. Oh. That's amazing. It's glow in the dark Frontier City, and it's got, you probably can't see the design very well, but it's on, they got that. That's awesome. So, I got a shirt. Diamondback's intense. Alright, you might know that it's Fright Fest, so it's got Fright Fest merch, as you can see. It's got lanyards. This lanyard's pretty cool. It's got Six Flags hat. This stuff's pretty cool. And it's got all this more Fright Fest. It's got these weird light up necklaces I see all the time. And a bunch of pumpkin poops. That's cool. More of these Fright Fest shirts. I like this shirt. The Six Flags Fright Fest Jigsaw shirt. It's got more of these poo hats. Some nice sweaters. So yeah, that is all the Fright Fest merch. And they actually changed the map to add all of the Fright Fest stuff. They made it all like grayed out, and you got up here with all the mazes. Oh. Got one of the tunnels. I used to listen to this song all the time. I've always wondered, what's in this jail? Days to hang in? That's cool. That's awesome. So, I don't know, I think I'm gonna head to Guest Relations. We don't know where we're heading to next. I'm automatically going towards Silver Bullet and Steel Lasso. And I'll ask about Silver Bullet on ride. Yeah, so we're heading over there, I'm assuming. Okay, there are so many wasps everywhere.
It's creepy.
Wait. You put your hands head through it.
Go in.
Oh, I'm not gonna fit in there.
Yeah, you will.
No, I'm not gonna fit in there.
Duck down, take off your backpack.
I'm not going in there. Alright, I'll see you guys down on Steel Lasso. Here's one of the mazes. I wonder if I can like sneak in there. You probably maybe didn't, so I don't know. But here, that's one of the mazes. It's by Rolling Thunder or Brain Drain or whatever it's called. I've forgotten. So yes, Steel Lasso is up next. Walking up to Steel Lasso, everybody. bugs in the state. Steel Lasso is up. So I'll be seeing you guys on ride Steel Lasso. It sucks though. Why was Steel Lasso running so much faster than normal?
So much faster than normal, and it was great.
It was awesome. It was running so fast. Like, I'd never seen it or felt it run so quickly. But yeah, we're heading over to Silver Bullet. Fingers crossed they'll let me record on ride. Hopefully they give us a good operator. Okay, Silver Bullet, possibly one of the jankiest coasters that I've been on, but it's amazing. I love the coaster. So bright out here. But yeah, I love Silver Bullet. It's good. Sadly, I couldn't bring you guys on. But Wildcat up next, and then we're gonna go check out the Boo Fest stuff. Alright, possibly the roughest coaster that I have been on. We are on Wildcat. I'm on Wildcat. No one else is with me. But this is possibly the worst coaster I've been on. You know what this can need? This can need two things: Titan Track or RMC. Just completely overhaul the coaster. Like, I bet you that first drop as a downward drop, like a roll, like what's it called? Twisted Timbers drop would be cool. So I'll tell you guys what it's like off, but you'll probably see over the POV that I got. It's really rough. And then the poor blue train back there. So, alright, here we go. Possibly my roughest coaster that I have been on. This ride sucks. Genuinely, it is not smooth. And I am surprised that I'm even deciding to go on this ride. Because it's rough. It's not even janky. It's not. I wouldn't consider janky. I'd call it rough. So I'll be seeing you guys on ride. Woohoo! Yeah! Jesus, it's bouncing my GoPro. It's bouncing my GoPro. Oh wait, let's get third time. Oh yeah, that one's not a smooth one. Well dang, that wasn't running that bad. That was actually running rather smooth today. To be fair, it was still bumpy. And that turnaround at the end is terrible. But it was running pretty good. Everything's been running well today and fast today. So yeah. I have now entered the Shadow Realm. I've now entered the Shadow Realm. I don't know what I'm gonna do over here. Maybe ride Sidewinder or Gunslinger again. Gunslinger was intense, to say the least. But who knows what's gonna happen next? Just walking around I'm probably gonna, oh, there goes Diamondback. A best ride in the park. Open. Bumpers. And they should have the train open. Like it's never.
That's for the hot stuff there.
On stuff's right here. It's like a peek inside.
We stand at the gate. We'll be back in a couple weeks.
Yep, back in a couple weeks. You have no idea. On my first ride, there were so many wasps on the second platform. There were so many wasps. They're everywhere. I guess there's just a lot of wasps today, so I am probably gonna go head back to Diamondback.
Well, let's pick up.
Oh no. The backwards ejector is actually crazy, if I'm gonna be honest. Oh, here we go. Oh my God. Oh, it's so deep. Oh, I hit my head on the. I hit my ears on the restraint. Oh. Oh. As you guys already know, Diamondback's awesome. As you can see in the front row, the ejector airtime going backwards is crazy. Like I don't know what to say. Yo, okay, wasps are everywhere. I swear, I hate wasps so much. But now the only coaster I really have left to record on, hopefully, is Silver Bullet. But they've been super strict. Yeah, I'm definitely going back for more rides, but right now I'm hopping off. Time for food. We're going into Fort Frontier. This is like their giant food court. How am I even supposed to get a bite of this? It's a s'mores. Oh, it's fine. It's a s'mores funnel cake. That's good. I cannot eat more than 5 bites of that funnel cake. It was so sugary. Man, now I'm gonna go get some rides, some footage for here. Like off-ride footage of, cause like you can never find off-ride footage or POVs for any rides here. So that's what my intentions are, is to get you guys footage and POVs. But yeah, I'm probably going over to get some footage of Steel Lasso on my phone. So yeah. Alright, that's gonna do it for this vlog. I had fun doing Diamondback, and 5th visit of the year. Gonna hopefully be coming back next weekend. No, next week I'm going to the State Fair for a vlog. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you like this.